The Reporting Plus Aggregate function transforms your reports from raw data lists into meaningful insights, allowing you to track trends, comparisons, and performance summaries that inform decisions. Keep in mind that only reports created from scratch within Reporting Plus can be aggregated. To get started, you'll need to create a new report from scratch or open one you've previously built that way. To create a new one from the Reporting Plus dashboard, click the Create New Report button in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to select a data source. For this example, we'll choose C&C Payroll, and then click Continue to Report Builder. Once you're in the Report Builder, click Customize Report to apply any filters you'd like. In our example, we're going to filter to show all projects under a client called Validation Major Client. You can also click the Columns tab to select or deselect the columns that appear in your report, and you can reorder them by clicking and dragging the handle next to each column's name. When you're happy with your filters and columns, click Refresh Preview in the bottom right corner to update the data preview. Now let's apply an aggregate function. In our case, we want to see the sums for the union contribution and total fringes columns. To do this, hover over the name of a column in the Columns tab to reveal the Aggregate dropdown. Click it to choose from the available aggregate functions. For this example, we'll select Sum for both union contribution and total fringes. As soon as you apply an aggregate function to a column, you'll notice an icon appears next to the other columns. This indicates that those columns will be used as dimensions to group the data by. Your aggregate selections will now summarize union contribution and total fringes across all of those grouping columns. Once all your aggregate functions are set, click Refresh Preview to see the updated results. The report now shows the summed values for union contribution and total fringes grouped across our employees. One thing to note is that within the data preview there is a limit of 1,000 rows for the preview. If your data preview contains more rows, you can click Run Report to export it. You can also click Save Report to save this report to your Reporting Plus dashboard, so you can run it again quickly in the future. Just give it a name, add an optional description, and click Save Report. And if desired, you can click Customize Report to go back and make any additional changes to your filters, columns, or aggregate functions.